In this video you will see a program on interface and the polymorphism using interface. So making an interface program, you must first have to go into the ABAP editor. So go to SC38. In my theory lecture I have discussed about the interface as well as polymorphism using interface. You can also see my videos in which I have given theory part on interface as well as polymorphism. After opening ABAP editor, write down the name of the program. In my case I am writing the program name Jet Interface. Now click on the create button. It will ask the title. Give the title here, interface program. Now select the type, executable program, and then click on the save button. It will ask the package, give the package name, and then press OK. Now in this case, firstly we will define the first interface. With the keyword interface inter_1. Inter_1 is our interface name. Now here I am defining the data, which is an attribute of the interface as well as methods. As I have already told you in the previous video that the interface doesn't contain an implementation part. So we just only defining the interface with the method name method1. Use the Pretty Printer for the formatting. The interface is always implemented by the class, so we use the class keyword for making a class. In my case I am assigning the name to the class is class1, then definition. In this class I am creating the public section and defining the interfaces, because the class1 is going to implement the interface inter_1 and the class is always ended with the end class. Now click the save button. Now make the another class for implementing the polymorphism as well. So I am defining here the class2 and then definition, and again I am using public section. In this public section I am going to again defining the interfaces, the same interface name inter_1. So here the two classes we are going to create which are both using the same interfaces. That means achieving the polymorphism, use of the same thing for the different purpose. So you can see we have used in the class 1 the same interface inter_1, in the class 2 same interface inter_1. Now the implementation part of the first class, this is class, then class 1, then implementation, in which we will declare the method with the help of interface name. The interface name was inter_1 and then tilde sign, that is called component access operator, and then method1. Now if you want to access the attribute of the interface, you can also access with the help of component access operator inter_1 and then text1. Suppose I am assigning the text here. This is our class 1 interface method, class 1 interface method. Now we can also write the statement here, because if you want to print the interface text value, attribute value, you can also print write inter then text1. So by this way you can define the method, and the method is already ended with the end method and the class is always ended with the end class. Again, use the petty method for formatting purpose. Now here we have defined the class 1. Now we are going to define another class. This is class 2, and then implementation. Now again we are going to define the method for the class 2 using the same interface 1 and method. So this is our method 1. Now if you want to access the attribute of the interface again, then again use the interface name and then tilde sign and then attribute name and assign the value here. So this is our class 2 interface method. Now you can also use the write statement to write the attribute value enter underscore 1 and then tilde and then text 1. Now use the statement end method and then end class. So by this way you can create the implementation part of the class 1 and class 2. Now come to the main function, and the main function always started with the start of selection event. So this is our start of selection event. Now we are going to create the reference variable. So here the reference variable object 1 and then type refer to first class 1. This is class 1. Similarly you can also create the another object 2 for the class 2. Refer to class 2. Now create object 1 and object 2. So by this way you can also create the number of objects by a single statement, change statement, create statement and then colon. Now we can call the method, call method statement and then object 1, then component access operator enter underscore 1 and then method 1. This is our method 1. Similarly by object 2 you can also call object 2, then component access operator, then interface name and then method 1. So by this way you can create the interface program. Now click on the save button, check for the consistency. We have written here the attribute value TAZT, so we will use here text 1. Click on the save button, check for the error, no consistency found, so inconsistency found, so program is syntactically correct. Now activate it and then execute it. Now you will execute it. You can see that firstly the object 1 is calling the first class 1 interface method, and then by object 2 it is calling the class 2 interface method. So here the polymorphism is achieving using the same method name in different classes. So this was the program about the interface as well as the polymorphism using interface. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel. If you really like my videos, please press the like button.